Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So this is a Lincoln Continental that we're selling. There's very little rust in this car. I'm gonna kind of go over it and show you the rust that's here. There's a little bit here and there and at the backs of the doors. And other than that, I kind of went around the car a little bit and checked it out. It's not too bad. This car's up for sale. I believe this piece of trim's in there. There's some trim and some stuff in the back seat, on the floorboard, and in the trunk. And this car does not run. The motor's locked up from sitting. So obviously you'll have to get the motor fixed, get it running, whatever. Stuff like that. The muffler's, rotted off of it just from sitting. Been sitting for a few years. This would be a badass hot rod, custom car project, whatever. A little bit of rust started in that same spot as the other side. And then this chrome strip is sitting inside the car. This is a 4-door with suicide back doors, which is really cool. If you're interested in this car, you can get a hold of me at my email. Send me an email if you're interested, and it's I'll put the email down below. It's arcohorton53@gmail.com. The grill and everything and the bumpers really clean. All the chrome strips are pretty nice. This has got the hood that opens this way. Really cool body style though. I mean, this would be a beautiful car. I'd like to do it. I just don't have time to do it right now. But we're gonna be selling this. I'd like to get like around 6,000 for this. We have a lot of time into this car. And like I said, it will need a motor. It's been sitting for a while, so if somebody was to get this car, they'd need to go through the motor and transmission and whatever. Pretty much a restoration, in my opinion. But if a guy was to build this into a hot rod or a show car or whatever, I mean, this is a good start. It does have a clean title. If you want to buy the car, we'll be in charge of the shipping. If you're interested, like I said, leave me an email, arcohorton53@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. The other thing, this car is located in Big Falls, Minnesota. So if you were to buy this car, we'll take offers on it. Like I said, we'd like to get around 6,000 for the car. And I think that's fair because these cars are getting really, really hard to find, especially in this condition. But it's located in Big Falls, Minnesota. And if you buy the car, you're also in charge of the shipping. So, obviously you're gonna have to get a hold of a shipping company to have them pick up the car. And we'll make sure that we have somebody at the shop to help load the car and all that good stuff. So anyways, if anybody's interested, just shoot me an email. Thanks for watching.